Are you looking for the best grass for sandy soil in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best grass for sandy soil. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Scots turf builder grass seed Pensacola Bahiagrass. Specifically cultivated to grow in full sun, this Scots turf builder is an ideal option for the deep south, where heat, humidity, and droughts are common obstacles to a healthy lawn. The Bahia grass roots can grow to 8 feet in depth, forming a stable root system that helps them withstand heavy foot traffic. These deep roots are also responsible for the high level of drought resistance that allows this grass to thrive in climates that burn out less robust grass species. The Bahia grass seeds are coated to help increase water absorption, making it easier for them to take root and grow quickly. Users can expect the grass to begin sprouting within 7 to 14 days. It is available in a 5-pound bag. Moving on at number 4. We have the Kentucky 31K31 Tall Fescue Grass seed by Eretz. While fescue grass is typically vulnerable to damage from foot traffic, Eretz has cultivated this tall fescue grass to increase the durability, allowing it to withstand heavy foot traffic and moderate drought conditions. The fescue grass is hardy and adaptable, making it a suitable choice for a variety of different climates. Additionally, individuals with livestock can use it as a forage grass due to its fast growth. This tall fescue grass sprouts a root system that can extend up to 5 feet in depth, reaching water deposits and minerals buried deep in sandy soil. After planting the grass seed, keep the ground moist throughout the day to see it sprout within 10 to 20 days. It comes in a 1-pound, 3-pound, 5-pound, 8-pound, and 10-pound bag to suit a variety of needs and yard sizes. At number 3, we have the Scots turf builder Centipede grass seed and mulch. Choosing Centipede grass to plant in sandy soil is a good option for people who prefer a low-maintenance yard. It has very densely packed leaves that choke out weeds and grow slowly, reducing the amount of time spent mowing the lawn. This Scots turf builder Centipede grass comes packed with mulch in a 5-pound bag to help the seeds take root and grow without issue, sprouting within about 10 to 28 days. Full sun and light shade are both suitable for the nutritional needs of centipede grass, which can thrive in sandy soil and acidic soil due to the up to 4-foot-long roots. The blades have a medium coarse texture and broad leaves that help to absorb the sun and shade the roots. This feature allows the grass to resist moderate drought conditions. At number 2, we have the Scots Easy Seed Patch and Repair Bermudagrass. Bermudagrass is known for the high level of heat tolerance and drought resistance, so it shouldn't be surprising that this Scots Easy Seed Bermudagrass excels in sandy soil. The grass grows in scorching heat, arid soil, and in flat or sloped ground, and it even resists regular high traffic abuse, thanks to its long roots that can extend up to 6 feet deep. This Bermuda grass is combined with mulch and fertilizer in a 20-pound bag, and the seeds are coated with a tackifier, which helps bind them to the soil and prevent them from washing away. This protective layer also keeps seedlings safe from harmful fungal diseases that can kill new grass, allowing it to sprout within about 14 days. The grass seed is available in a 3.75-pound bag and a 10-pound bag. And finally at number 1, we have the Pennington the Rebels Tall Fescue Grass Seed Blend. It's more than frustrating to take the time to properly plant, fertilize, water, and maintain new grass only to have it fail. This tall fescue grass from Pennington is an excellent option for successfully growing in sandy soil. This product is a tough, low-maintenance type of grass that has a high level of adaptability, allowing it to thrive in a wide variety of different environments. The grass has long roots that can withstand moderate foot traffic and insects. The roots also give this grass high heat tolerance and decent resistance to drought conditions. It grows well in both full sun and partial shade but thrives in areas that receive at least 4 to 6 hours of sun daily. Users can expect to see sprouting after about 8 to 16 days. This grass seed is available in a 3-pound bag and a 7-pound bag. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.